grilled shrimp and grilled orange salad with orange shakes. 20 cleaned shrimp, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 small bowl of fresh salad mix of different lettuces broken into pieces, 1/4 cup crumbled blue cheese, 1/4 cup dried cranberries, 1/4 cup toasted almonds, 1 orange, 1/4 cup orange blossom honey, 1/3 cup of ice cube, 1 cup orange juice, 3 scoops of ice cream. Put cumin powder and paprika powder in a plastic bag. Add shrimp to it and shake and mix together in the bag. Line a baking tray with foil paper and pour the marinated shrimp onto it. Spread it out and grill in the oven till charred a little. Peel and cut orange into chunky slices. Place them in a foil-lined baking tray. Sprinkle cinnamon and sugar. Grill both sides of the orange till charred. Put lettuce mix in a larger bowl. Add dried cranberries, cinnamon toasted almonds, and crumbled blue cheese. Add onion dressing and toss well. Put 1 cup orange juice in an electric blender. Add 1/4 cup orange blossom honey. Add 1/2 cup of ice cubes. 3 scoops of ice cream. Blend together until smooth. Place salad mix in the middle of a serving plate. Place shrimps and grilled orange slices on top. Pour out the shake in a glass. Add last few drops on the salad plate as well. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, then give us a thumbs up. And if you are new here, then please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye for now.